Hello, my name is Ayo Oyeleye, and I'm the program leader for the MA in International Journalism. The program is designed for students who wish to develop their skills and intellectual knowledge on the areas and practice of global journalism. Global journalism encourages students to actually move beyond thinking about journalism practice within the traditional division between foreign news and domestic news, and understanding news beyond the national parochial prism. And so the program will encourage you to actually think about ways in which events, issues, and developments around the world are interconnected between different places, different communities, different peoples, and the kind of consequences that those have. If you choose to come and join us, you're going to be working with a group of academics and professionals with vast experience in the field. We're also going to expect you to become part of our research community and to partake actively in various kinds of activities and network with professionals in the area. If you come and join us, you're going to be part of a broad international and national, community of students, and we are going to also expect you to be, take an active part in making that a dynamic group that actually helps to, develop intercultural understanding. If you have any questions about this program, I'd very much encourage you to get in touch with me. My email address is ayo.oyeleye@bcu.ac.uk.